You type into Google Gold IRA, 726,000 results pop up. That's a lot of information out there, and probably most people think, which ones do I choose? Which guides do I go after? And how am I going to go through all this information? Our first time gold buyer guide has been downloaded over 50,000 times. And in that guide, you'll find all the questions that you're looking for and all the answers you're looking for. How to get into a gold and silver IRA, how to do the paperwork, what products are eligible, and how quickly and easily it is to move from an existing IRA in stocks and bonds into an alternative asset like gold and silver. So feel free to request that guide. We'll get it out to you and we'll get all the questions you have answered for you. And after you go to Gold IRA and Google Noble Gold Investments. Check out our BBB rating. Check out all the review sites that have reviews about our company and see what people are saying about us. And you'll know that you can trust us when you're looking to move your IRA, that you've read the reviews, you've done your due diligence, and you go with the company that people can trust.